Hey, it's Tara Pritchard, Confidence Coach for Women, here to help you get your shit together. And this week I'm focusing on getting your shit together romantically, okay? So it's 2016 and it's Halloween. Okay, you see my little pumpkin, I had to throw it on for you. But anyway, I want to talk about 4 reasons why dating in 2016 is scary as hell for single women, girl. So my number one reason is because of social media, right? I'm all for the trap music. I love rap music and everything. But it goes down in the DM, right? That didn't really help us out, did it, ladies? Did it help us out? No, right? Because with social media, it's become so much easier to cheat. People can slide in people's DMs. People are sneaky as shit and they do hashtag Women Curse Wednesday. Oh, okay. Right. And people are inboxing people, right? That direct message is a lot, right? And people are still up to their old ways from cheating from way back, but social media does not help at all. Not only that, social media also puts a lot of pressure on us to have for certain relationship goals, right? And if your relationship is not meeting a certain standard, you start feeling some type of way. Like, okay, but my man ain't buying me flowers, or he ain't taking me on vacation, or I see them doing this, or I see them doing that. What about me, right? And you start getting that like OCD, obsessive comparison disorder. That's what I call it. Right? Or your second reason could be, right, that the scariest shit is because of the emotional unavailability that so many men have. And the crazy part is there's so many women too. So many of my clients come to me and they're like, why can't I seem to attract the right person? And the truth is because they're emotionally unavailable themselves, right? But men more so because they are taught, even at a young age, that they shouldn't be expressing their emotions because that's soft and that's weak. And sometimes as women, especially black women, we hear similar messages, right? So then we end up attracting the same type of thing. And men are the worst sometimes because they don't heal, right? They don't always go to coaches and read books and do all the things that we do as women to heal and become whole and move forward. So that's scary as shit because you want you a whole man who is complete, honey. Okay, number 3 is that other women are out here tolerating bullshit. So when they show up for us, they think that we probably are the same way. But no, boo-boo. I don't roll that way. I don't do the lying. I don't do the cheating. I don't do all that. But sometimes they get it twisted because other women are feeling unworthy and not enough, and they're sticking to it. And last but not least, men are out here lying. That's my number 4, which is scary as shit. Because if they're lying, sometimes you don't know what to believe, right? So if you can relate to any of these, please make sure you sign up for my webinar.